Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix joining contest problem in Brawl Stars. So first thing first, delete cache on the app. Hold the app icon, click app info, scroll down until you find storage and cache. Click here and click clear cache right here. Then you can click clear storage, delete. If that doesn't work, you can reinstall the app. Just hold and uninstall right here. Also, you can reboot your device. It may help. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.